beloved students of underground coal mining methods. Sorry for the delay. There was some problem in connectivity. Now our computer center persons also helped us. Let me know whether you are able to hear my voice so that without wasting further the time on this auspicious Sunday. I know how busy you will be on Sunday helping your parents. So now straight away we can go to our scheduled assignment evaluation process as discussed with our Karthik, your class representative. So this is a wonderful experience of learning more skills as a part of online teaching learning process. And you consider and be cool as if you are sitting in a national or international seminar or conference being coordinated by your class representative as a chairman of that international event or national event. Then we go with the stipulated timings as already we discussed several times. Don't worry, it is a process of improving your skills as a Skill India program and also help all our students, beloved students, to learn something more with your latest information, whatever you could collect. Now over to our class representative. Are you able to hear my voice? I am taking attendance once. Let us continue. Since there are 3 hours, so this will be our class 34, 33 over it seems, 34, 35, 36 lectures, whatever, depending on the time. And let me know before that, are you able to hear the voice?
Yes, also.
At least one person can unmute.
Yes, sir. We can hear you.
Very nice. So now I think our class representative Karthik is ready to take over. We also invited our very super seniors. That means they are PhD scholars, executive PhD scholars working in different companies like CMPDIL, Singareni Collieries, Mahanadi Coalfields, Hindustan Zinc Limited, Indian Bureau of Mines, Dalmia Cements, Jindal Steel and Works, so many companies, very senior, NALCO and Central University, having wide experience in India and other countries also to help you. So that this should be like a conference you are there and presenting. Now over to Karthik. I hope Karthik is ready. Your class representative. If he has any problem in connectivity, then you can continue with the scheduled your presentations. One by one, you can continue.
Sir, actually, I had joined another meet. That's why I was not present here.
No problem. Now we can continue with the presentations so that we will not waste further time.
Sir, I'm sharing the screen, and you can yourself see who are remaining.
Continue, Karthik.
So, starting from the top, I guess Uttam Das is have to start the first.
You ask one by one and then go ahead. You need not wait for the people. Now you learn the skill of organizing even a conference. I wish that if not in next year, at least when you will be in final year, so we will be conducting one national or international conference as we used to conduct several times here in NIT Rourkela. So this is a training for you people. Now continue.
Excuse me, sir. So can these people who are present already leave?
So Karthik, are you able to hear my voice?
Yes, sir, I can, but I guess Uttam is not available. I'm waiting for
No,
him.
you read the names. First you read the names who are supposed to present, so that whether they are yes or no available, it doesn't matter. Yes, no equal for us. Read the names. Project it and read the names and take their attendance, whether they are available or not. Then go ahead, that's all. I've been writing all these things in your record book.
Uttam,
Don't worry if you have any problem of voice or connectivity like that. If you have
Hello, sir.
their YouTube link, go ahead. So
Hello.
there are so many
Hello.
options we have.
Hello.
yes, Uttam.
Yes, I'm sharing my slides.
So now Uttam is presenting.
Yes, sir.
9:26 time.
Hello, sir.
Continue. If there is any problem, go to the next. Don't wait for
I think
anybody.
I got disconnected. I'm sharing again.
Slides were visible for a while.
Those slides will be shared by our CR. What is the problem? Already it is there. You organize yourself. That's what the skills we want to improve. You are conducting one international or national event.
I had shared. He said that he
All
will
of
share
you
himself.
know.
Okay, then you share. Karthik. Hello, Karthik. You share.
Continue, Uttam. Now Karthik is sharing, right? So voice is not audible, Uttam.
Hello. So some network problem.
Yes.
My topic is mining method selection. First, I am telling about history of mining method selection. In the past decades, attempts were made to build a systematic approach to mining method selection. This is because MMS or mining method selection is a complex and irreversible process. It involves proper planning, research, and informed decision carried out by experts in the mining industry. There are previously established approaches that have been used across all the commodities. Some were successful at implementation, which others still needed to be developed further to be effective. In the early 70s, Bosokov and Wright proposed a qualitative classification for underground mining method. Next slide. Which only consider the geological and geotechnical factors applied in similar geological conditions. The selected mining methods as alternatives were those which have been applied with similar geological conditions. Then Morris classification method was in the early 2000s was to use multi-criteria decision models or MCDMs because of their proven record of effectiveness in facilitating a decision-making process. Among the existing decision-making techniques, AHP, PROME, THEE, TOPSIS, TUDIM, VCOR, ELECTRE, and GRA have been used in the MMS or mining method selection process. However, they are not widely applied in the mining industry, and the current research paper expands on the existing knowledge of the MCDMs as they present an opportunity and further explanation in MMS. Next slide. The country that contributed the most information on MCDMs was Iran. Even though the USA, China, and Australia are some of the largest coal producers in the world, there has not been much concerns about the MCDM. Next. Yes. In mining methods, in most analysis, the geometry of the ore body necessitates more than one mining method or hybrid methods that combine the attributes of compatibility mining methods. Many variations, combinations, and hybrid systems are employed, and widely varying naming conventions exist. 10 of these are described in the table. Next. The open pit mining, which is abbreviation as OPM, this is the surface mining method for shallow flat dipping over bodies that progresses deeper by mechanical means. Then it is block cave or BCM. It is an underground mining method for flat dipping thick over bodies that progress upwards by means of self-sustaining cave progression method. Then another is sub-level caving. Yes, this is the graph of mining methods in order of sustainability to the ore body. The most sustainability of the mining method is BCM or black method, which is 261. Then OPM, ACR, C and F, that is cut and fill, SLC, longwall mining, and like this. Next. Yes, this is the ore body characteristics, ore body shape, size, ore body chemistry, rock mass characteristics. Yes. Next. Mining methods in order of benefits or cost ratio. The most benefit or cost ratio mining method is VCR, then SLC, OPM, C and F, longwall, LOS, room and pillar method, drill and fill method, OTOS, and BCM is 0. Conclusion. Mining method selection, the most fundamental aspect of mine design, is also inherently one of the most difficult because the selection must take place when information is at a minimum. Several methods and techniques have been developed and without doubt will continue to be developed to help with the selection process. Thank you.
What is the latest reference that you followed?
Sir, I actually changed, sir, I actually changed the slides a little bit, but I have the slide. I didn't share with Karthik. So I wanted to share the slides.
I understood it. What is the latest reference that you followed? and you have done 2-3 months time for this assignment, you must be knowing about these things. What is a 2020 or 2019 reference, and which international journal format you followed? Because these are the skills that we wanted to improve. I hope you understood it.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
no problem. Let us go to the next. Karthik, now coordinate and go ahead. Any questions to Uttam?
Shivam,
These are skills we wanted to improve. Go to the next. Who is the next?
Shivam is next. Shivam.
So till others PPT is displayed, you all please note down in the mining method selection. The trends because there are so many parameters affecting the selection of mining method we have discussed, and the latest is even we can utilize even artificial intelligence or machine learning or that type of techniques also nowadays. That is a AHP technique, you note down. That is a hierarchy process, right? AHP techniques. So you can see in our thesis, some of the students from BTech or MTech, they did some projects under my guidance on selection of mining methods using AHP technique and other things. One PhD scholar was also working on this, our Bhanu Chandar, you may note down. Later he shifted, but initially he was working on selection of method of mining for different methods, of course. Okay. So these are the latest we can say. Otherwise, selection of mining method, Uttam must have shown all the latest literature in 2019 in United States, what these people have done, in Germany what they have done, whatever papers he could get it. Otherwise, there are a lot of literature already available which you used to discuss, and I included in your pedagogy material, whatever I sent to you. Okay, over to the next. Who is the next? If there is any problem, then we go to the next to next. Who is the second man?
Sai versus sir.
Is there any problem in display? So second man is Sai. Now Karthik, you should learn to coordinate also, as I used to tell you. Go to the next. Leave Sai and go to the next. Third.
B Deepak.
Third man. Who is
B
the third? B Deepak. Then try for only 1-2 minutes, and if it is not possible, go to the next. Then we will continue our class. Don't worry.
Sir, actually, sir, my phone is not responding. That's why I'm just lagging.
You give that responsibility to others.
Sudhans.
You know how to organize. Who is the next number 4?
Sudhans.
Sudhansu is 4. These are absent now. Sai is absent.
B Deepak.
Next, B Deepak is also absent. Okay, let us don't worry. He is absent. Then next,
Sudhans.
Deepak is absent. Yes. Everything I have been recording here. And in the slides also I am writing who is presenting and what timings. Everything is there. Next number 4 is
Nigam.
Nigam, okay. Nigam.
So Nigam has having some issues with his MS team. Actually, I don't know why. Everyone is having issues with MS team today. They are
No
responding to
problem.
me over WhatsApp.
They can give their voice. Your PPT, your YouTube link you can play.
No, sir. Actually, the thing
Whatever
is,
YouTube link they have,
Hello,
you
sir.
can play.
Nigam,
Continue.
can I present?
Sir,
Yes, you first tell me the line. Number 4 is Nigam. Number 5.
Sir, Nigam is saying something, sir.
No, let him say, but you tell. Continue. Number 5. Who is number 5?
Jagabandhu Nayak.
Number, huh?
Jagabandhu.
Nayak. Jagabandhu. Okay. Jagabandhu is number 5. Is absent or present?
Present, sir. Hello.
Present. Okay. Then
Yes, sir.
Jagabandhu, are you ready to present now? Continue.
Yes, sir.
Nigam.
Give to Jagabandhu now. Display and continue. Jagabandhu, now time is 9:40. 9:40 to 9:48 you should finish. From
Jagabandhu,
9:40,
you
what
will
is the
present.
topic?
I will
Jagabandhu,
present.
9:40 to
Okay.
9:40 to 9:48. Completed and 2 minutes for question and answers. These are the skills what we wanted to improve, so that you yourself will conduct later excellent international national conferences. This is not to test your intelligence. You are all intelligent, my beloved students, right? Jagabandhu is presenting. What is the topic? Continue,
Sir,
Jagabandhu.
yes, sir. It's taking time.
No, time is not required. You tell what is the topic, your topic.
Sir, my topic is roof bolting methods, its machinery and application in MCL mine.
Roof bolting methods, applicability, and case study of MCL.
Yes.
Continue to say about this.
Yes, sir.
You are sharing the slide, or Karthik is sharing?
Sir, I am sharing the slides.
If you have any problem, Karthik will do that. Karthik, you share the slide. Don't waste time.
Yes, sir.
Is it visible,
You
sir?
share the slide, he will talk. He will talk about it. So now
Sir,
Jagabandhu is presenting on roof bolting methods, applicability and
Sir-
case study at MCL.
Sir, is it visible?
Excellent. Continue.
Okay, sir.
Number 2 is Jagabandhu today.
Good morning, everyone, and my dear friends. My name is Jagan Naik, and my roll number is 199MN0775. Today, I am going to discuss about roof bolting method, its machinery and application in MCL. I prepared my assignment in API format, and for my reference, I used a thesis named Evaluation of Board and Pillar Mining System in MCL, written by Ramchandra Naik and Sangram Kesari Dale. Apart from that, I used a MCL Sustainability Report 2011 and 12 and modified rock bolt support for mining methods in Poland published by MDPI 2018. For underground photos, I used a documentary on Nandira Colliery. Basically, I will be talking about Nandira Colliery UG mines, which comes under MCL. After that, I will discuss about modified rock bolt support for control roof winding. So, roof bolting method is one type of support system in which several roof beds are clamped together to form a composite beam. Where boltings form a pressure arc around the open space to keep the rock mass in position. Nowadays, we can see this type of supports in tunnels as well as in UG mines. It is very effective and efficient as well as easy to handle. Now let's see in Nandira color UG mines. You can see here both roof bolts and bearing blades with their specification. Considering these specification, the design of roof bolts and bearing plates are manufactured. In Andhra Colliery, 0.8 meter of resin capsule followed by 1.5 meter of hexagonal roof rods was inserted in panel number WP3 and WP4 for roof bolting. Now machinery used in Nandira colliery. Hydraulic roof bolters are used for roof bolting in panel level WP3 and WP4. It is used to drill 27 to 43 diameter of holes, and for flushing out the cords from the roof, it's use high fluid pressure. Apart from that, universal drill machines are used in Andhra colliery for roof bolting, as well as for anchoring the roof boards. Uh, it's also used for short holes blasting. It can drill holes up to 38 to 63 diameter and 3 to 5 meter deep. It can work in gradient 1 in 4 and seam height up to 3.5. Now let's see modifier rock bolt supports for control roof bending carried out in Upper Silesian Basin, Poland. As you can look at this picture, due to vertical stresses, the immediate roof under the main roof is bending in the goof region, causing damage to the core pillar. To tackle this sort of problem, several tests are carried
Continue.
out.
Meghavan.
Is it audible, sir? To tackle this sort of problem, several tests are carried out using different length of rod and changing the shape of bearing plates in the Department of Mining, Ages University of Science and Technology. You can see here the test results are given below in the table. For 200 length of rod with dome-shaped bearing plates, the average load bearing capacity is high, which is 153.97 kilonewton. With reference to these results, 1.5 meter long rod of steel with dome-shaped bearing plates, which has high ductility and yield limits ranges from 500 to 625 megapascal, is used in UG mines in Upper Silesian Basin. Now, putting conclusion to my topic, the most important points to design a roof support system is to understand the roof condition, and for stability of the roof, it can be improved by edible roof board support. And you can see these are my reference I used for my assignment. And that's all about my topic, sir. Thank you.
Any question to our Jagabandhu? No problem, don't worry. Some of you, I thought, must have understood some good instructions to improve your skills, to collect the material, some latest material, and reading as a habit of good student. Okay, don't worry, whatever you could learn, you are at infancy now. Okay, continue. Maintain the time and go ahead.
Anandya is next, sir. I will be presenting on his behalf.
Who is presenting now?
Anandya Viswas.
Number 3 today is Anindya Viswas.
Yes, sir. I am presenting on his behalf.
What is the meaning of you are presenting?
The meaning is that, sir, his net is
Sharing
not.
the slide.
I am sharing his
And he is
slides.
absent.
No, sir, he is present. He is giving the voice. I am presenting his slides.
That's right. That means you are displaying his PPT, right? Okay.
Anandya, give me the access, please.
So meanwhile, everybody, you please note down uh, regarding the topic, whatever was discussed by Jagabandhu. Now, in general, supports are designed especially for our underground coal mining based on rock mass rating. You please note down. Right. Other details anyway we will be discussing in the class continuity. Instead of wasting the time, so let me also say something more. That's what we wanted in this online teaching learning process. Rock mass rating. Rock mass rating was stipulated and given in the DGMS circulars through PAL committee in 1988 itself, and we have been following that. And when it comes to Mahanadi Coalfields Limited, at present we are conducting investigations for the support designs in Orient Colliery. You note down Orient Colliery 1 and 2. All the details also I will be showing, but I want some interested students, those who want to learn more, so that I give what is the latest happening to you people. Right. So these are some. Now you continue with that. In between, I am giving you some latest information. Yes, Anindya is ready now.
Sir.
All these presentations, some important information you should note down regarding Talchir. Of course, he could not give much information. He is supposed to collect so much information, and then what are the support systems followed in different countries with some latest reference of 2020, 2019, whatever it is, he should have done it. Okay, don't worry. Now we will learn in this 2 more years. You have time to learn some more skills. This is okay now. Let us continue.
Good morning. Good morning, everyone. My topic is underground blasting design. So first of all, I from my the international journal. First, I have taken information from IIT Kharagpur Techniques of Blasting Design by PDF by Kaushik De, then Engineering and Mining Journal, then New Nickel Deposit Australia, and Wikipedia's information from Queen's University Mining Design. Introduction. There are 2 reasons to go underground and excavate. To use the excavated space, for example, for storage, transport, etc. To use the excavated material, for example, mining and quarrying operations. In both cases, tunneling forms an integral part of the entire operation. The main difference between tunneling blasting and drainage blasting is that tunneling blasting is done towards one free surface, while drainage blasting is done towards 2 or more free surface. Various drilling patterns have been developed for blasting rock, solid rock faces, such as wedge cut, pyramid cut, drag cut, pan cut, burn cut. And 2 important methods for blasting: detonation, and second is shaft sinking. Sequence of detonation. For both fragmentation and throw, blasting efficiency depends on the delayed sequence of blast or detonation. Delayed detonation improves loadability of the entire cut, contributes to better strata control and reduction of the blast into vibration. Shaft sinking. In mining, shafts form a system of vertically or inclined passageways, which are used for transportation of ore, refill personnel, equipment, air, electricity, and ventilation, etc. In quarrying, glory holes for transportation of materials such as at Perak, Hanjum. An important requirement in shaft sinking is to provide optimal fragmentation of the rock so that it can be cleared quickly from congested shaft face area. Blasting operation is carried out against gravity, and the scatter of the broken rock is confined in the shaft. It is commonly used generous distribution of the explosives throughout the rock using a large number of diameter short holes. In blasting in underground mines. Underground mines are extract underground metal bearing ore bodies. The excavation work for underground mines is usually divided into 2 broad categories. These are development and production. Development involves tunneling, subsinking, cross-cutting, raising, etc., so that the ore bodies are easily accessible and transportable after excavation. The production work can be subdivided into 2 categories: short hole and long hole blasting. Short hole blasting. The diameter and length of short holes are usually limited to 43 mm and 4 mm respectively. Short hole blastering is usually used in brakes for stopping for narrow tubular or
Anindya,
yes, sir.
have you understood the subject? Is it coal mines or metal mines?
Sir,
Is it coal
blast.
mine or metal mine?
Sir, this is blasting is
What you are
actually.
talking about, is it the coal mine or metal mine?
Actually from metal mine, this is mine.
Then you have to repeat. That is not at all your topic. Go to the next person. Stop it. Our topic is underground coal mining methods, not metal mining methods.
Sir, it's underground.
Karthik, go.
So Avinash is next.
This is 0 marks for him. Go to the next.
Avinash
This is very
Pali.
simple to understand. That shows how
Yes, sir.
sincerely we could collect the material or understand the instruction.
Avinash, you are going to present or I will present?
Yes. You say the
Who is next?
PPT.
Who is
You
next?
say the PPT and make me a presenter.
I have made you presenter. I am sharing your slides.
Okay.
Who is the next man? I hope
Avinash
every
Panikai.
minute there should be some improvement. Okay, we should not go back.
Yes.
Right.
I'm
Who is the next man?
not allowed to take control here.
Who is the next man? 7.
Okay, you want the
Avinash.
control. I am
Yes, sir.
giving you. So Avinash is next.
Very good.
Yes, sir.
Avinash is related to Longwall.
Yes, sir.
Continue.
Okay, I'm not actually getting the control here. So you can, when I say next slide, you can forward it. Okay.
No,
Yes,
that instruction is already there with you people. No, this is what the skill you should develop. Continue.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. We know that Longwall technology is the most used underground method of extraction in India and all over the world for certain amount of time. And after 2000, the starting of 21st century, it was not that much, very much in use. But all over the world, the production of Longwall section increased, like the width and length increased, but in India, it was not that very developed condition because of not the proper mechanization and all such issues. So I'm going to present the Indian Longwall mine and the positives of Adriala Longwall project and the positives it has added to Indian Longwall mine section. So all my references can be seen here, and I have also collected some data from the SCCL website and pictures also, some of the. So next slide. Hello, next slide.
Yeah, slide is
That takes
changed.
some time. That takes some
Slide
time.
is changed. It will
Don't
take a
worry.
few minutes, seconds.
Yeah, it takes few seconds. So you start telling about that.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It's longwall mining for underground coal excavation. So starting from the day of independence to this day, coal is one of the most essential thermal power plants supply for all over the world. And now recently, even though nuclear power plant and such methods have been taken over, but in India, where there is a long and large range of thermal power plant necessity, coal still remains the most essential one. And there are two mining methods, like surface and underground. And in underground, longwall mining method has been the most essential, and it had started on the global scale. It has started in the 1970s, but in India it has been more recent. Next slide, please. So in India in 1978, it was first accepted and brought into action. Okay, so India had its first mechanized longwall caving phase in 1978 at Munidi under CIL. Subsequently, there have been 33 more longwalls in India after that period of time. And as a result of it, in 1996 and 97, around that year, The excavation of coal resulted in the maximum number of impact, reaching a 2.3 million ton excavation in the year 1996-97 season. So, and considering that after that it has been a steep decline, considering the not so much development in the section of mechanization and technology, and not well educated means to work out the. So there have been some problem in since then, but after that in Adriala Longwall project in recent times in 2008, Adriala Longwall project was accepted and it was starting to being worked on since 2014. But I have shown some Longwall geometry of the wall here, how the improvement have been made. In the early 1970s, the width of the Longwall cave was 150 meter, while the length was 1200 meter. But and after 1980s, there have been some gradual improvements. By now, it has been in some countries like China and Australia. The width has been around 330 meter, and length can be go as long as 3000 meter. Okay, next slide. So we know
Continue telling about it and make it very short. Go to your important points.
Okay, sir. Okay,
You try to repeat whatever was covered in the class.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. We know how a Longwall phase. So Adriala Longwall project. Okay, so more recently, as a part of underground mechanization planning initiative, SCSL started to work on ALP, and in 2014, the estimation for 35 year, considering that the project was begun and brought into action. So it was generally with a lot of help, and with the help of CSIRO Australia for detailed geotechnical studies, support capacity estimation, and finalization of technical specification for modern higher capacity longwells in SCCL. Also, some of the Indian institutes like IIT Kanpur and Kharagpur have been brought into action for this, helping out this longwell project. Now let's talk about the specifications of ALP. So there have been some uniqueness about the Adriala Longwell project, and one of those is the punch entries. Some of the punch entries has been directly made into direct access to coal from open cast to open cast directly to open get the underground from the open cast high wall, and also 11 kilovolt power transmission to underground have been provided. Pre-tensioner cable bolting also have been employed, and it has been a completely automation system, which is completely different from the previously used longwall mines in all over the India. And also 400 kilowatt high capacity fan was supported. Diesel transport vehicles, floor concreting in underground, which has been a more essential one, and VFD controlled unmanned belt conveyor system has been also employed, as well as mine cruiser and air chilling plant. So next one. So in the next slide, I have shown some of the data from comparing the earlier longwalls in SCCL and what Adriala longwall mine did different. So the depth range in earlier section was 60 to 225 in meter, while Adriala longwalls it was 400 to 650. In the support type, earlier it was 4-leg chalk silt, while now it has been 2-leg chalk silt. And capacity have been increased from 360 to 800 to 1152, and width have been also increased. Also, considering the life cycles have also been increased. And considering the panel length, it was very short earlier, 0.221. Now it has been employed to 2 to 2.5. Face width also increased, as also said. And capacity million ton per annum. It has been a long and very much improvement seen from the previous ones. And also shearer capacity, also shearer mechanization. It was heavily mechanized, and as already told, it was an automation. So it was completely a success considering the effects. Next one, I have shown the layout of Adriala Longwall project and how the panel wall has been already been excavated, resulting in a very successive amount of excavation. As we can already see the Longwall panels and the success. Next slide. So here is the Longwall phase of Adriala Longwall project, and it's been a complete mechanized automatic. So we can also check the next one. So talking about the panel one, the panel wall dimension of the panel was 2,333 meter to 250 meter in width, and reserve of the panel was 3.38 million ton, which has been completely extracted by now. And highest daily production rate was 13,187 ton, and the highest monthly production was 2.53 lakh tons. And it was a complete excavation of the panel. So we can see the concrete roadway for traveling, the diesel supports and shearers, it's and the punch hole, which is the most essential one. So it has been employed, and it has a 35-year project, and so it has more than 30 years to go from now. So hopefully it improves the quality of longwalls in India. By conclusion, I would just like to say longwall mining is done successfully in all major coal producing countries, even in difficult conditions like highly gassy, hard roof, and steeply inclined seams. It is proved beyond doubt that longwall as an underground mining method is successful in India also, where was introduced with proper spirit. So the more essential one is to suitable underground geological blocks need to be identified for introduction of high capacity longwalls on large scale with the help of Grover operators. And this is it, sir. Thank you, sir. I would like to.
So any questions to our Avinash? He tried his best to get some recent information. Any questions to our Avinash? If there are no questions, Avinash, are you able
Yes,
to
sir.
hear my voice? Very good.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So it is a very good presentation compared to others. But next time when
Yes,
you
sir.
prepare,
Yes,
the
sir.
text should not be so much in any slide. Okay, only important points. And I used to tell you people some important points, even you can color it separately also. All those things you will learn. Okay. And then when we are talking about longwall performance, some example from even China and Australia where they are working, you could have also told so that your friends will get some more ideas. Okay, it's okay, nicely presented. You try to understand in a better way compared to others, right? Now, who is the next man? Who is the next?
Sir, next is Chinmay Kumar Patra.
Chinmay. Till our Chinmay slide is displayed, our beloved students, you note down, as far as our longwall mining is concerned, as I used to tell before also, our Chinese and Australians are far ahead of us. And I used to tell you in 1980s, we imported mechanized, sophisticated longwall mining equipments by China and India both. And now Chinese started exporting, and Indians, we are still importing. There are different reasons for that. And coming to the performance, meanwhile, let him, only I am filling the gap in between till that his slide is displayed. And this also will be important information for you people to note down. And now we are looking ahead for more depth mines at even 1.2 kilometers. Those are being worked at. Can you say? I used to tell in between. Anybody can say in which countries they are working beyond 1 kilometer? Longwall mining.
USA, sir.
Sairam is telling something. In which country?
USA, sir.
USA, yes, in Utah mines, and then in China also. Right. So these things when you and one more thing is longwall, we have a department, separate department in CMRS or CSIR. Even if you write the names like our Anil Kumar Singh or our Gautam Banerjee, Angad Kushwaha, these names, you will get lot of information on longwall mining which were done. And before that also, this is the latest I told. Before that also you can see so many longwall panels worked and available in our ministry Coal India website, so many places like Singareni College Company Limited as our Avinash has shown some of the information now. Okay. Is there any problem with the next man? Who is the
No,
next?
sir, I was waiting for a second so that you can complete yourself, then I will share the screen.
No. You need not wait for me to complete. I am filling the gap. Now it is a CR coordinating all, as if he is conducting one conference, international conference or national seminar, webinar, whatever. That is what is a skill that I wanted you people to be enriched with, so that you yourself can conduct any seminars, any events, national, international. Continue. Karthik
Chinmay.
to coordinate. Don't waste time.
Chinmay. Hello.
If there is any problem, then go to the next.
So he himself shared his slides just now and he's gone, I guess. Chinmay.
Am I audible, Karthik?
Yes, you are.
Hello.
Very good topic selection of mind side.
Yes, you are audible.
Good morning, sir. My topic is selection of coal mine site, and I have taken reference from International Journal expanding the utilization of Indiana coals by Wayne Park, CCTR Advisory Panel member, and Nat Noland, Indiana Coal Council. And I have taken some information from Indiana Center for Coal Technology and Research, CCTR, and the Energy Center at Discovery Park, Purdue University. And I have taken reference from some books like Industrial Mining Engineering and Principles and Practice of Modern Coal Mining, and some of the sites from internet.
Very good.
Karthik, slide. Next slide. So I will start from the general introduction. Coal mining is the process of extracting coal from the ground and widely used for its energy content and has been widely used to generate electricity. There are methods. The methods of coal mining are underground coal mining and surface mining. Next slide, please. There are 5 stages in a life of mine. First is prospecting, where the search for ores and other valuable mineral take place, and the second step is exploration, where the size and value of mineral deposits as accurately as possible takes place, and the third is development, the work of opening of a mineral deposit takes place. The fourth is exploitation, which is associated with the actual recovery of minerals from the earth in quantity, and the last stage is the final reclamation stage, where the final stage in the operation of most mines is the reclamation. It is a process of closing a mine and recountering, revisiting, and restoring the water in land village. Next slide, please. Karthik, next. And I will start in here the case study of Indiana, which is a state in Midwestern United States, which is the 38th largest by area and 70th most populous of the 50 United States. Coal in Indiana was discovered along the banks of Wabash River in 1736, and organized development of Indiana's coal resources began in the 1830s. Here we can see the location of Indiana in the United States from the map. Next slide, please. And I have taken some mines in Indiana. First photograph shows the number of coal mines in 1998 and its production by the tons. And the second photograph, it shows it is a recent taken from the 2019, and here the Indiana coal consuming is in the third ranking. Next slide, please. Now we will go to Indiana's coal vital statistic. Indiana has approximately 57 billion tons of unmined coal, of which nearly 17 billion tons is recoverable by current technology. Of the mineral mineable reserves, about 88% is recoverable by underground mining, and only 12% is recoverable using surface mining methods. Based on current production rate, Indiana's 17 billion tons of available coal could last more than 50 years. And the graph shows that the total mining and the underground mines and the surface mines, according to the graph, from 1879 to the 2017. I have taken this photograph from the internet. Next slide, please. And the coal economics. $1,350 million of Indiana's economic activity is attributable to coal mining, which includes all the interaction between various components of the economy. Employment in Indiana's coal mining and industries which provide goods and services to the coal mining industry results in an estimate of 14,325 jobs related to coal mining and industries which provide inputs to the coal mining industry. In this graph, we can show that the coal industry employees graph I have taken it from the internet. Next slide, please. Then the types of coal contracts. About 85% of US coal sales are via contracts and the rest via futures and spot market. Coal supply contracts will vary with changes in the market level of demands and regulatory climate. Metallurgical coal is being sold at $200 and $300 per ton, and Indiana spot market coal at $50 and $70 per ton. With increased fuel cost, the indexing also increases coal prices. Next slide, please. Now, where to locate a new mine? The location where to new mine, the mine new large coal supplies is a huge issue and depends on first economics of mineable reserves. Karthik, please back. Acquiring sites to mine coal and critical need for a good transportation infrastructure that connects to the mine site. Fourth is according to seam thickness ratio, which is a critical factor for success. Next slide. Next. And here are the major issues for new mines. First is permitting and land acquisition, changes in power plant emission standards and regulations. Third is coal quality and expected volume per sales. Fourth is attracting, developing qualified workers. Fifth is rising transportation costs. Sixth is availability, delivery of mining equipment. Seventh is types of coal contracts. Eighth is transportation and infrastructure. And last one is large capital investments are required for. These are the major issues for new mines. Next, Karthik. And the permitting process. This process takes a long time for data gathering and regulatory approval. The ACOE, Army Corps of Engineers, has regulations affecting mining as well as post-mining reclamation. Permitting is a long process involving regulatory uncertainty. Cost of surface coal reserves are increasing. Typical cost of purchasing Indiana farmland can exceed $4,000 per acre. Depending upon the strip ratio, purchasing mineral rights can involve a further of $8,000 per acre. Total cost is often greater than $12,000 per acre for surface mining. Next slide, please. And these are the new mine guidelines parameters. First one is time needed to find mineable coal reserves and acquire mining and mineral rights can take 5 to 10 years. Second, to start a major new mine, surface or underground, then investment of $50 million to $300 million might be required. Third one is in underground mines, the geological characteristics like coal thickness, roof and floor strength are primary for planning parameters. Underground mining gets difficult when the seam is less than 4 feet thick. And the fourth one is typical for every ton of in-place coal for underground mines, it is 4 to 4.5 tons of coal product, and for surface mines almost 8 to 9 tons. Next slide, please. Now I will conclude here. Indiana has opportunity to increase its coal production with new demand from increased exports, new power stations, limited substitution of PRB coal. Planning for new coal production capacity is complicated and lengthy process involving technical investigation and regulatory requirements. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Who is next?
The next is Madhigappu Sairam. You are not audible, sir. So you are mute. Unmute yourself, sir.
Muted.
हाँ, अभी जो अकाउंट प्रेजेंटेशन किया था, क्या नाम है?
Chinmay Kumar Patra.
Chinmay, have you understood the title of the topic you selected?
Sir, it was not mine, sir.
Selection of mine site.
Yes, sir. Selection of coal mine sites.
Can you say something to your friends? What is the meaning of selection of mine site?
Sir, here we select the mine sites based on some factors.
Now, what are that factors?
Sir, I have said it from the.
No, we have so many Indian examples, so many. We have so many problems in India itself. Now, this shows how you are acquainted with the subject and what is important and what is not important. You got Chinmay?
Yes, sir.
There are hundreds of mines, and one more thing is a selection of mine site. Right. So what is the meaning of it? What you could understand by that?
So to determine the location where to mine.
Let me ask others. What others understood from this? What is the meaning of selection of mine site you understood? Because your examination questions will be on all these assignments. And that's why I have given you opportunity to ask the questions also. Others should respond, and if they are dummy, they of course they got 0 marks, of course. So they are supposed to be attentive enough to respond to the presentations made. You consider yourself you are sitting in a national or international seminar where some people are presenting on the topic of their interest, collected material for more than 2 months, 2-3 months since the beginning of the semester, and that is their this much of hard effort they kept it. Okay, so you should respond to them in each presentation. It is again I am reiterating, it is not to just to make you memory builders which will become useless and go to the dustbin, but understanding that and being a part of solving the problem, that is what is our skill India we want to develop. Okay, go to the next.
Sir, is my presentation visible, sir?
Karthik to coordinate.
Hello,
Sir,
Karthik.
his presentation is visible.
Okay. Is my voice clear?
Yes, it is.
Yeah. Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir. This is Majjigapu Sairam. Today, I am here to give a presentation on longwall mining in Singareni Coal Risk Company Limited. And while preparing my word file, I followed Harvard referencing style international journal format. And to make this word and presentation on longwall mining in Singareni Coal Risk, I referred a lot of journals, research papers, and references like Longwall Mining by G.W. Mitchell, Construction and Operation of High Capacity Longwall Project report by S. Chandrasekhar, B. Veera Reddy, B. Ramesh Kumar, N. RARE. In addition to this, I used many websites like SCCL, CINFAR, CSIRO, DGMS, Ministry of Coal, IRJET, etc. Also, I have also added reference for each picture in the foregoing presentation. Let me introduce you about longwall mining on a brief note. Longwall technology is relatively a very new
Now,
and successful.
Sairam, don't repeat what was told by others or what was discussed in the class. You only show what is new, which was not shown by either your teacher or by others in the whatever the PPT and other things. You have to highlight your important issues. That's all. Don't show everything. Don't talk everything. Okay, go to your important points.
Yes, sir. Now I directly go to my case study on longwall mining in Singareni Coal Risk. Singareni Coal Risk Company Limited is a government coal mining company jointly owned by Government of Telangana and Government of India. Singareni Coal Reserve stretches across 350 kilometers of Pranahita Godavari Valley of Telangana with approved reserves aggregating to 8,791 million tons. Singareni Coal Risk is currently operating 19 open cast projects and 29 underground mines in 4 districts of Telangana. Singareni Coal Risk pioneered mechanization of coal mines in India by adopting coal drilling machines far back in 1937. There it replaced manual labor, road headers with armored face conveyors, shuttle cars, and highly mechanized equipment. Similarly, transforming more with technology, longwall mining introduced in SCCL in the year 1983. Presently, 4 longwall packages are under operation. This is a coal production by Singareni Coal Risk in the year 2020 to 21 and 2019 to 20. Let us look into the history of longwall packages installation in Singareni Collieries Company Limited. In Singareni Collieries, longwall package was introduced initially at GDK 7A incline in 1983, and after successful completion of 2 phases, long equipment was shifted to GDK 9 incline, where the longwall phase collapsed due to inadequacy of support capacity. In GDK 11A, initially 3 longwall phases have planned with 450-ton capacity support, which also failed due to underrated supports. Later GDK 10A incline longwall package is introduced with increased capacity of powered roof supports, that is 450 to 800 ton capacity, where it is successfully worked by producing 3.5 million tons of coal. Similarly, longwall technology is introduced in many mines of Singareni collieries in the successive years, which is listed here, which increase the coal production and ensure the safety of workmen and the mine. Okay, SCCL has more coal reserves at below 300-meter depth. The longwall technology is the only technology for achieving bulk production from such conditions. The Adriala longwall project has attained high significance in the Indian mining scenario at this point of time, and this is the first of its kind high-capacity longwall mine in the country. Let me give you a brief background of Adriala longwall project. Construction of such an automated mine is not an easy task. It requires meticulous identification of coal blocks suitable for high mechanization and state-of-the-art technology. Unless a company can acquire highly skilled and motivated workforce and planning ahead for years, a feat like this is not achievable. Typically, coring out the longwall mine is a complex process. Adriala longwall project is a flagship project not only for Singareni collieries but also for entire Indian mining scenario. Even though a project of this scale has never been built in India before, SCCL was quite confident that this is feasible and achievable, and the project was approved in the year 2006. This is the plan view of Adriala longwall project, where I have taken from the reference from U. Shivashankar's journal, where he presented in the Asian Mining Congress. These are the some salient features of the mine, like total extractable reserves present in Adriala longwall project is 78.597 million tons, and depth of working is 294 to 644 meters, and it works in the degree 1 gasiness. Seam gradient is 1 in 6 to 1 in 7.8. Okay. Many new technologies have been introduced at the project for the first time, like punch entries, 11 kilovolt power transmission to underground mines, pre-tension cable bolting. Yes, sir.
Also for others also, when you give any figures like this figure you should not write reference HTTP, YouTube, all these things. This is not the way to write reference. This should have a proper title, and then in that title you should give, if it is a reference like this, it can be anonymous, then you should write ANON 2010 or 20, and its full reference you will be giving at the references section. You got the point? Any figure should not be kept like this. Okay? This should have a figure, this title, and then its reference if it is not taken by you or drawn by you. I hope many times I explained, but I wanted to tell you many times so that you people should learn to do that. Okay?
Can you repeat again, sir?
Figure should be self-explanatory, and reference should not be written like this. Okay? Under bracket there itself you should give, if it is our Chandubai or Reddy, whatever, right? So you should write there, and the year, and that full reference will be at the back, last slide, or your in the text it will be under the reference. I hope everybody followed.
Yes, sir.
They can modify accordingly, those who are not presenting today. Okay.
Can you repeat again, sir, about the images?
Go ahead.
Pictures are
I appreciate your confidence level.
Hello.
Sairam, go ahead.
Hello.
These pictures are taken from Singareni Sairam YouTube documentary. Many new technologies have been introduced at the project for the first time, like punch entries, 11 kilovolt power transmission to underground mines, pre-tension cable bolting to support the roof without any use of additional supports for the first time. Automation systems is thoroughly used here. Among these, the unique feature of the project is that the main entries are planned through the adjacent rise side open cast mine. A platform of about 200 into 150 meter is prepared adjacent to high wall at #1 seam floor. The high wall was stabilized with cable bolting and cement injection along the periphery of the proposed punch entry. Here you can see the image of it where it is connected to the adjacent opencast mine. Then
And at the same time, you should write Sairam. You should write here, this is a high wall, this is a punch entry, this it should have proper labels. Okay.
Okay, sir.
This is the way how you should make you should modify something is there. It should not be simply copied from somewhere. So for your purpose, you should modify those things. Okay. Right. Wonderful. Now go ahead.
4 punch entries of size 5.5 into 3.6 meter were driven in top section of number 1 seam for a length of 1.8 kilometers at 1 in 5 gradient using road headers. These are the main entries for the project and planned for man riding system, trunk belts, diesel vehicles, roadways, and haulage system, 1 in each punch entry. Okay, coming to planning. But how one does one find a suitable location for such a mine? The first step was to ensure the elevated area was suitable for
one more point here. Sairam, you should not copy and paste like this anybody's slides. Okay? Why you have given this Mount Sarpis instruments here? Why it is given? Why this Robertson geologging is given here?
Sir, because they were involved in the planning.
You should not prepare like this. This is a very, very bad way of preparing slides. Okay. That is when their company people are presenting, they will do like that. This is you are presenting. You are not representing Mount Sarpis or Robertson here.
Yes, sir. These
okay.
Companies.
And this reference why you are writing here every time this HTTP that is you are copied from there. All these slides. You have written yourself.
I took these photos, sir. So this
should not write like this. It should not be written like this. Go ahead.
Yes, sir. Ventilation. Coming to ventilation, ventilation is a very important and most primary factor which is to be considered for safe working of the mine. Adriala Longwall project is planned to work in the depth range of 300 to 640 meters. The geothermal.
You explain these figures. Sairam, you explain these figures.
Yes,
what you are showing in this figure? Explain.
Yes, sir. The Adriala Longwall project used 2 main fans to suck out the air from the return air shaft and to create the vacuum constantly, which is filled by fresh air entering into the mine from entries. Thus, constantly.
What is the left figure? What is the right figure?
Right figure is same, sir. Right figure, I mentioned this as a Zitron, sir. They took from the company Zitron these fans.
Why you have given left figure?
Left figure because these fans were taken from Zitron, Spain, sir, and these were installed in our Adriala Longwall project.
Why this figure is given here? What is important in this?
It's because these were exported from that company, sir.
No, what you want to show in these figures?
Yes, sir.
What you want to show these nuts, bolts, or what is this?
No, sir.
What is the diameter of this?
These fans were taken from Zitron, sir. So Spain company. So I want to show that they have taken this from that, sir.
Have you given the title here that this is imported from Spain? You want to say that? What is the diameter of this fan?
Fan diameter, I don't know, sir, but it is of 400 kilo.
Why I am asking this is, don't show anything which is useless. Okay. I was there in this mine while installation and planning, so many things we have done. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Don't show anything, whatever is available from any dustbin and keeping it here and there. You write only those which are relevant and what you understood with proper titles, and inside that also why this mesh is given here? Why mesh is here?
Because so that outside dust materials will not go into that, sir, and heavy particles like will not go into that my fan, and the fan will not get disturbed, sir. The fan is revolving with the high
purpose.
So 15,000 cubic meter per minute of airflow.
You don't know its diameter. You are talking about other things.
Sir,
what I want to say is, don't put anything available from the dustbin, but only prepare slides with relevant materials to everybody. I am telling, not only Sairam, relevant materials and only those material which you understood properly. Okay? And with the self-explanatory, any figure, any table, any text, any point, whatever you are writing, it should be understood by you, then only you should write it here. You should not copy and paste anything, whatever is available anywhere. You got it now? This is what is the skill I want you people to improve. Okay? That is the reason why we are spending even on this Sunday also. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, continue.
Restricting myself to here, now I introduce you about Shantikani Longwall project, which is located in the southeastern part of Dorli Bellampalli coal belt. The area is mostly covered by sandy soil. 8 correlatable seams are present in the block that are 1A, 1, 2, 1B, 3B, 3A, Salarjung and Ross seams. The gradient of the seam varies from 1 in 3.5 to 1 in 5, dipping towards northeast. All the seams proposed for extraction are considered as Dixie-1 gas units based on data available. These are the equipment which is used in our Shantikani Longwall project. Presently, 4 SDLs and 2 road headers are working in this mine. Salarjung seam workings are from 420 to 490 meters depth, and it is proposed to extract 670 meters depth in the future with continuous miner and longwall technology. Okay, let me conclude here. Longwall mining is done successfully in all major coal producing countries, even in difficult conditions like high gas sea, hard roof, and steeply inclined seams. It is provided beyond doubt the longwall as an underground mining is successful in India also. So longwall will be the future underground mining method to extract large amount of coal. So these are the references which I used for making this presentation, and thank you. Thank you, sir.
Very good, Sairam. You tried your best. I appreciate compared to many. Yours is one of the better one. Now, following other whatever instructions or suggestions I have been giving. Meanwhile, let others continue. I am filling the gap. Then you can improve further in future. Okay. And any questions to Sairam? Because
sir.
Yes.
Sir, this is Panchentry model. Can you explain, sir? This is first time they've developed in Singareni, sir. How this is planned from an open cast mine, sir?
Very good. Who is asking that?
Sairam, sir. Myself asking this, sir.
You are asking. Okay. So I was there when these things are being planned, and Reddy is my classmate. I was doing a lot of investigations in that mine. This mine is, that name is given new, but it is nothing new. It is a GDK 10 incline only, 10, 10A and all those things. They made it. So very simple to understand, everybody to note down just for 1-2 minutes. That's why I asked you to spend 2 minutes after every presentation. You please note down, everybody. This is a very good genuine point what our Sairam asked. So now when you reach a panel, underground panel, right? You have to go from the surface making a shaft or otherwise through the inclines, because in GDK 10 incline we used to have a different entry into the mine, right? So that may take a lot of time. But since there is already open cast workings and that is adjacent to your this reserve in the boundary side, so that's why we utilize that high wall side of the mine, high wall side. And here I would like to just only for 2 minutes only, I would like to show you. Is full screen, are you able to see? In fact, I have been writing. Are you able to see my screen? Yes, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
See my screen, right? So everybody's presentations I am writing. I will explain that on board. For today, from 34, 36, 37, whatever, depending on the time and your interest and your patience, we will continue for 2, 3, 4, whatever the classes we will spend. Starting from Uttam, he was presenting on selection of the mining methods from 9:29 to 9:34, whatever, 5 minutes. He was supposed to present for 8 minutes, but he could not do that, only within 5 minutes. Latest reference was not mentioned by him, and which international format it was not mentioned. Sai at that time came under the class of absent, and Deepak was absent. Nigam issues with MS Team, and Jagabandhu from 9:40 to 9:48, and 2 minutes question answers to be done. And it is a very good preparation for few slides, but again that was not good. So much material, but it should have been in the proper point wise. It should have been made, not copy paste of the text. And try to collect some material from MCL. We appreciate it. And figure should have proper reference. Instead of writing Google somewhere, he was telling or written somewhere from Google. No, that is not the reference. Right? In Google also there are so many papers given. That name of the author you should write and give the full reference later. Suppose if there is no author, then you should write anonymous. You please note down. This is what I want to improve, my beloved students, that skills, so that in future you yourself will conduct so many international, national events anytime like this, and prepare yourself being a chief or whatever, right? As a very important person in any industries or academics in future. So Google, that is not the reference. You should give the name. If there is no name of any person, even that company, like CMRS, Simfer, if some no name is there, Simfer 2020, you can write like that. Otherwise, you can write anonymous. Yeah, that means no name. That is a group of some people or a company like that. Yeah, that's why you must have seen in many textbooks, many places, ANON, anon. That is anonymous, right? That means there is no one particular name. That total company has done some work, or some industry has done some work, some institute has done work, whatever it is. That is a generalized one. This is the way how you should give that reference, ANON, comma 2021 or 2020, 2019, whatever it is. So this is the way how we should develop. Then An India has given something on try to collect, but that is not metal. That is a coal, not a coal mine, right? That is a very pathetic situation. How he could, because that was not the topic given to him, right? So that is he is supposed to be repeated. Is got the 0 marks for that. Then Avinash from 9:57 to 10:05. Good recent references they tried to give 2019 of my classmate and my whatever Chandu Bhai and all people with whom we have been working on this Adrial and all many minds, Singareni data. Instead of text copy, text can be made in the short point wise. You should make it, and then more emphasis should be given to design of this panel equipments and performance. Later our Sairam has given that, but he missed that one. And of course, I appreciate with layout and all, he tried to give. That's a confidence level that is very important. And Chenmai selection of mine, there are.
So suddenly your audio get quiet.
Your voice is coming very low.
Or otherwise, this should be little bit. Are you able to hear? Because are you able to hear my voice now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Because I kept so many options with me. Are you able to hear my voice now?
Yes, sir. Perfect.
Yes, sir.
Is it clear voice? Now is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Because many times these type of problems are there. Is it clear now? Voice?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Before that, let me, what I do is a part of it. We will. This can be like a part A. I will be telling you. I will stop it and record it again.